So this is how you can turn off the loud sound notifications on the Apple Watch. Let me show you how it works. If you're new here, subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and videos like this. Anyways, you need to open up the Watch app on your paired iPhone where you can manage all of those individual things, right? So it's pretty simple. You can find it in there. And I want you to go to the sounds and haptics. So in there, you have a few options, and actually you can enable the silent mode, which will turn off the sound notifications completely, right? If you have the haptics turned on, it will keep on vibrating on your wrist, but it's not going to deliver any sound notifications. So if you prefer it that way, okay, but I believe that if you specifically don't want loud notifications, you can just dial down the ringer volume. So this volume slider controls how loud the notifications, ringtone, and all of the other alerts are going to be on your wrist. So my point would be that perhaps you don't want to completely turn off the sounds for the Apple Watch, but only dial down how loud they get. And also, speaking of like the notifications and different styles, like you can see we have the ability to choose a different ringtone or a text tone. And I mean, it doesn't let you like choose the volume for those, but some different styles or different types of the sounds might be a bit louder than the other. So perhaps choose a different one, which seems a bit like less prominent, I guess. But that is basically all that you can do. Let me know what you think about it below. Hit a thumbs up if it worked, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next videos as well.